Hey everybody, this is Florida Trains and Things. In this video, I decided to do a little something different. I went to Folkston, Georgia and did a little train watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Clear 97. Clear Folkston 97. Gonna be talking to J.C. Davis up there, 608.5.
Hi, J.C. Davis, 608.5 coming up. Talk to him momentarily.
All right.
608.5. Leading number 204, clear this from Folkston, track southward.
Clear 97.
Leading number 204, clear this from Folkston, track southward.
Clear 97.
Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.